you be at the safe. If you want to be at the safer side, don't cry more than the bereaved. Utunu sipa se asumasi owu ye kuno. Okache ose still la no ho ya wo ede na opesa oka. Chinchira opesa wo force na mo bia wo se no ho ya na. Na force o emo bia wo se no ho nye. Na benkum ni nifa obia etwa dwadwo obia pesa oka ne nsem a e tie mienu no. Ti so tie ba konko a enkojina ba ko na onkasa ya afa se chinchina me hunu se ba ku sisi ba ko no no aka kire o se ba ku ni sisi na na onkasa onchire mu sa onduru sa level no enti mo ma bibia akofo ayesa obi di mind games ebe biti.
1 Corinthians chapter 6 and so say dey was emfa finka wa ware enyai wa ware emu wa ware mpa di wa ware ni ma wa ware nya papa o boni ba ko pa okodi e adwaman ba ko aboy ye ka we dia ka kira sofo na aka no eye mo adwe se adwaman mo eye life obi atin for kokan wo se adwaman mo abosomso fo kora age eno na ye ka na sofo aduane amudie ensa nya omani wu ni abegyina ho ne ye ka abi ni ne jai ena me na me ne twempna ena blackmail me ukọ hokọ ye den dwamanfo ukọ ye den.
For Bishop Daniel Kojo Obinim'S and the year Florence and Seminole, Afrapa, a good headquarters, yeah, and now no Ekase, Evangelist Mama Pat, Ababont, and Lucia, were better shots at the Bishop Daniel Kojo Obinim'S, and Yansam Gitwapana, and some of my parts of Kaino, the Quasamesa and Seminole, I know Ash, and I are we passion, yeah, could say they. So for Penny Bishop Daniel Kojo Obinim'S won't me, yeah, sorry, I won't answer for Lucia, I know that Chaya. All do you be so other Tom Montia, all do you Seminole? Ebema Bishop etu kwan akọkọ be bia tena bia wo so me be nsia ne wansa ena wasan aba na wo de mu nsem nyina eye me bi atwim so wo be kai ne ya ne so foke so e friend say Saviour bra ebeto monten so se wo ne yere ekoguru empemu agoro ne ade ne be ye he no sa audio no abeto monten so ama Saviour ne so abeso life akasa na wo kire se Florence Obinim'S ensem a wo from ne wo kom e wo ne kunu fie no hwi ne wo kire se wo hiamboa Ghana fo nya no na wo nkom fi se chance bia ene ne mu aso wo no kunu wo nyino musuban eye penti Ghana fo enyai na ne Obinim'S de be na yere no wo fa ne fi se saa ene Obinim'S wo de ye wo no Saviour ene na yere na busua ensam de ebi wo mu pa na mesere so be ka me ho ne ne yeni kan kote audio no ene ye ma me nsam a wo kan na ye ba ne Saviour no so aka no ye ba betie no so de too much gh as me mesere say ye ko me be subscriber to me so de me ya no wa kan say o de be on be kan o saa no upload me to the first person ya wo sa everyday kan
I think yes, I'm mistaken because radio no I see it. I don't know what in your palm. I don't know the name what in your along. I don't know the name what family should do what it should be. So I don't know see your Quran which in the world. So you know what I mean? Upon the woman actually. If you don't know, I had the papa mountain. I don't know what we had the papa mountain. And I don't know why the papa man found could use him. What's the answer? And I don't know what the papa man all found could use him with peace and a bonnet. Rather than mistaken. Can it be the Pia to be the Pia, not the Pia, the Pia,
oh, a man for so my yira, Nanama or see, please, I'm lost to Nanama men yira. Yes, our momo change why a style. Chiniba and Kumui a check. Nemum ebe reflected to new one because Bishop Obinim'S any a Benedicta Swakudin Komama were recording. Bishop yeta record no because he drew dear day na Obinim'S will be to me abedana no inti ye recording it too for evidence sake menyira Bishop ene obabi di nkomo asa oba na oni ni di nkomo no ne sofo ketua bi eyire ene oni ni di nkomo na emum no kra bata ho kakra ne se saa bre na oba na nhye da meye official wife. Itina say eniyama ekoso ansana officially no obey wives abre no Obinim ade eyi ni de afrim. Oti ase de enti san komo no wudi yemu modi wi ana matombo ase a kire omu ntim pese wote waso ne tie no ahombrase kwa so tie ni edu yi wasum na de joto ne mato wi a be kire omu afi wo beti ase tie ni
police station or your court, and you fish a Bible, if it's your one remove, if it's your one remove, if it can come clear, yes, because they are the papa man, now find out the bonnet, to be a ANC, and now you see that. But see that when you can show that as a name of community. Nini tani akwala ya dia ndoso ya wa ya dia ndoso wa ya dia oti ni kan kira da sabe no ye no you be more na for one chala be very casual but as a high balance the wife you clean your side as a wife clean as a wife you know clean out the main duty as a bad and you can but maybe na teach you not yourself see that the clear.
First Corinthians 6. Who created the mess? Obema no di kai ko boy jamai edi fi ebe kana warrior pano. Ehun sunso aso na wu no ti kawa no tum sunso aso jamai ba kwa wo ko boye etwa ba kwa wo boye odie ba kwa wo ko di ye. And then you see your success level. Abe say ufie abegu ufie ene eyi unyama abegu abonten ene amakwan ma were nso so okwa why the creative mess no you started it and for sure what dream say obegbo adwaman a wonim the word of God. Hebrews 13:4 was a emphasinka warrior empire. 1 Corinthians chapter 5 verse number 1 to 4 ego you know was say a German babo from po enye eno na moye 1 Corinthians chapter 6 and so say dey was a emphasinka warrior enyai warrior emu warrior empa di warrior ni ma warrior nya papa. Oh, bonny back up, Okodi, a drama back where you come with your catch us off one canoe. And your mother said, Drama more, and your life will be a thing for cocaine. Was it a drama marble for crying? And no, I can a soft word, dear Moody, and sign you when you near Benjamin Honey. I'm in a jay, and I'm in a tramp, and I'll blackmail me. Oh, call ye day, drama for. Oh, day. When you bet me their chow, a rabbit bet me their chow. But as you saw swan the uncle, and him guasian wo bedje, sana your bar, wale fool. Now we are the woman of God now so bedamaya, Miss Enim guasiano bedje. One animal. You will swim on your disgrace.
Do you know any mama part in some and I put your banana part watch say we did a one wako faba into any trouble. Yeah, what you so a day to some aquadema mass of work as a neck, Ghana so for I said the minor. I like the woman go cry woman's room. Into Mufan, I took a job in now woman find your future some. Send a bear no baby my warrior will feeling. Really a foot on my part, and they come up with you any as so far. Academy and everything. The guy catch us a Saviour, so yeah, or ye bishop than the Obinim'S. The shop will get trouble year life nine. Someone will come woman and yes, some get
level be also men drew. Don't reach certain extent. Allow for the person to speak, the one you want to support. Let's see, say the old Kasam, on Wakasa Druana. So that you will not become a third person. Joseph Saviour, Ubisamia, Mekacha say, a dear Namaminaka, that she really need your support, and our person will share my Jumuneka Samano. That is how things happen. God bless you. God be with you. Don't cry more than the bereaved. Never cry more than the bereaved. Look at the level where the person has reached what she has said. Reach the same level. Don't go beyond the person's level. If you want to cry for the bereaved, make sure that you cry to the level of where the bereaved have stopped. It is well. God bless everybody. I don't cry more than the bereaved nowadays. If you want to get wisdom, don't cry more than the bereaved. My brother, if you are watching me, don't cry more than the bereaved. Tomorrow, the same person will tell you that he or she was not even bereaved. There was no funeral. There was nothing. What will you say? It is well and it shall be well with you. God bless you. So anytime you want to support somebody, you want to help somebody, you want to sympathize seriously with somebody or someone, a friend, a loved one, or whatsoever, make sure that you will listen to the person first and see whether the person deserved your support. If the person says it is well, you to take it as if it is well. There is no hypocrisy. There is no mind games. Don't wait until it is too late. No, beyond for mind games. No. Okay, God bless you, so that you be at the safe. If you want to be at the safer side, don't cry more than the bereaved. Utulu sipas asumasi uwu yekuno. Okache ose still no ho ya wo ede na opese oka. Chichira opese o force na mo obi a wo se no ho ya na. Na force o e mo obi a wo se no ho nye. So no abekasa. So no akabibi dia, you definitely know that, oh, from what the person is saying, at least when you sympathize, will be a member where ye will be a me invite ultimately say BBSC will try to do with you about so in here. Over for so or tranquil bit to a catch us or the crown when you or the crown BBI and BBI told at the end of work. Everybody should be God bless you, God be with you. So I don't want to cry more than the bereaved. Don't also cry more than the bereaved. Bibi tu obi ofie wajumam baby bia then the panel we shall deserve support. Fine. Or no adi obeye ne bechere. Support the person. Ewo nimdie munyansa musika mu bibi bia. Basa wo hwe nipa kro no na de obeka ye no em deserve supporter fan se wono nso ohunu se bibia ye okay. Ohunu se bibia ye okay. Yes. Enti de ba na choka we kan say na ye bebre na ye bibia no me kokko hwe ye no. Nkrofo de atage me no so for Saviour e na wo papa ye say no mama ye say no ya ye say no say akofa say afa say me who say BBS because me who because share the aside no be interest we hear support me say BB atono that yes so the hear support me kasa mu de be chere say we hear say obeboa no and for what dream be mbo bi sao. It's not always like that. And many man will be. Sometimes it me junior na e pese junior man will be a junior man nipa na wo junior man no say na wo say ye no psychologically and no ma be say no o kira obeka say psychologically yes are that here ono kra de o kan woni mu asap na wo ye ne dai wo say woni ewu wo be mu say woni ewu. So God bless you, God be with you. Eye gidigidi bia. Eye gidigidi bia. Enti eya na wa twen na wa se nipa ni hia bibia obi wo a te se ni say oye made a within a second me ma be come adwen me ma wo hu se na tie me bia wo de kono no me ne wo nya adwen say pa na ma wie asa ndi so obi be kasa afa osofu Saviour ho aboa ne se sofu Saviour matie wa asem no Ewrade adom ntimi srew sei na ti ndi osofu Saviour matie wonu mu asem na nsɛn ma hu se sei na ti misrew nya abotre misrew ka wakuma tu yam misrew ade beboa manu mu asem na nipa ne tie ye no ena odi ye nyina so. Please tap the screen. From what I have said, from the horse's own mouth, that is why someone is sympathizing with me. That is why someone has got something to say. But some question I worry for me no be ku. Na me hu say bia be man e bu oba no. Na me bisa oba no say embo na. Anase man go bisa no mpo oba no be kasa mama tie a. Oba no nkasa nyina kire say bibia ansi ya. Me den akwa kasa say, mami sorry why? Ukaka sorry no catch you say bibi maka say bibi ye me maka say bibi ye me. Maka say bibi ye me ana de na obeka. So ma mini bisa say wakachi wabebo amanesi bibi ye na de na obeka. It's a humble servant. It's a ages. Oh, God bless you. God bless you. So thank you so much for your compliment. So obi be kasa say wabebisa say bibi ye no. Ana so obi ka say Ewrade nhira wo a kasa be no aka Ewrade nhira wo so obi say Ewrade nhira wo a eno ano aka o Ewrade nhira wo eno ano no obi ka say Ewrade nhira wo a obi de Ewrade nhira wo be ye nyina so Ewrade nhira ho no say nhira me ma fa ne se ye nhira me nkonko wura ni pa na adwuru mu nka se nyame nhira ho no a o ka no no me ma obi for ni he sa me ya nka me ni de me ka se me na wo ka sa kire me no say neti aha nti me ma fa ne se bibia ni ho bibia nsi. God bless everybody. And this is what we suffer Saviour. Yes. The bibi hana. Muma yenti na yentwe yenti na no mu ase yenti se bibi hana mpa. Yekotie yeso. Won hyedan kyere se bibia hana sa. Nti me no mienu se ye kasa tra certain level a ye be third person. Okoto se dipa mienu ko na bibi asia. Na asem bi koso. Na benkum ni nifa obia etwadwado obia pese o kan ne nsem a tie mienu no ti se otie ba ko nko a enko gina ba ko na on kasa ya afa se chinchina me hu ni se ba ko sisi ba ko no no aka kire o se ba ko ni sisi na na on kasa on kire mu sa on duru sa level no enti mo ma bibia akofo ayesa obi di mind games ebebiti Ewrade nhira. Me de bibi to me a munim said de metie. Obi na ga say some long time, long ages now so for Saviour de bibi ha me a. Be hu ansem meka ho asem, man ka ho asem obeti. Ntumi ndene. Ewrade nhira. Bibi a mo so mu amabaso bia God bless you, God be with you. Abotre. Sofu young na te say, ba sofu young Ewrade nhira mo. God bless everybody. But blessing Ewrade nhira. Enti de ekoso, de wate, de ekoso, de ye choka no. Many who say BBNC about because ba ko nhye dan kire se ohia obi support. Say bibi koso nti me hwe na adwi mu a bibi koso. So for young ana meboa.
Enti abusia so for Saviour so ne nsem no na yakwa kuti e de aba no wo kire se ne abai kwade e ya hyase nti yemfa ye eni achi ne hwe wi asem na kasa no e be kwa ko yira so Ghana for kire se we die se we ya hyase dia e na ye mpefufo bi ehun ni mu mpaibo e na edi begu from se ne ama no hom ni so bia no e badwu se ensem a APP ba no and yes someone any kakra busia message say won so obeja comment or comment section ho e dia ma me all the social media handles no too much gh o subscribe like ya share na for social media makra